All right, KL Audio. Let's see what's going on here. It's like a record cleaner. Uh-oh, that might, that's cool. How are you?
Doing good.
Nice.
Can we run? Yeah.
You're doing how many records? 4? Five.
Like a jukebox.
Oh, so we do one at a time?
Yeah, from the back side.
Okay. Nice.
Depends on the how order. Depends on the
Okay.
order.
So it's set it and forget it. You just do it and then,
Just do it.
and how long does that take about?
So you can set up the time for cleaning cycle and drying cycle. 1 minute to 5 minutes. 1 minute to 5 minutes.
Okay.
And you can just skip it. Cleaning or drying. You can just also.
Oh,
just
so it
cleaning,
does drying
yeah.
too? Okay.
Yeah, you can also set up that one as well. And good thing for this one is you can use just regular water.
Regular water?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's cool things.
And they go manually off and finish washing cycle, then manually off for dry cycle.
Oh, okay.
Then
just,
changing
stop
next
it.
one
Okay.
automatically.
And it comes with this enclosed case to keep the noise?
Right.
Yeah, this is silence, but yeah, this silence
Okay.
for accessory.
But this noise.
Yeah, because the ultrasonics actually impact my mic. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, so this is kind of cool. It does keep it silent. Yeah, you can hardly hear it.
You can see differences.
Yeah, big difference. Yeah.
Quite noisy.
And what's the price point on this?
For the cleaner itself is 65.
6,500. Okay.
6,500. Sorry.
That's US, not
Yes,
Okay.
US. And silence is 2,400.
2,400.
And also auto loader is 3,100.
Okay. Okay. Pretty pricey, but you just have to push a button.
Yeah, but
No,
and
no
also
need, no need to press button.
Oh yeah,
Just put it in.
yeah,
turn
you
on
just
all
need to push
automatic.
one button
Okay.
and you can clean 5.
gotcha.
And we also have really good reputation for this cleaner in our industry.
Is that right? Okay.
Yeah.
Very nice. Now,
We also
what
have
else are you
another products, our Tonearm and Turntable.
Oh, okay. That's your
Yeah.
turntable.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's take a look.
Actually same model, but unfortunately this one little damage during the transportation.
Oh, really?
But yeah, anyway, Tonearm is perfectly 90-degree condition.
데몬스트레이션 보여주신 건 어떠신가요?
Tangential moving,
Oh, wow.
perfectly tangential moving.
I've never seen that. Okay.
Also, head shell replace. Depends on the head shell length. This is a length changeable. Diamond tip always running on the laser line.
Okay. So yeah, you got calibration built in. Very nice.
Then moving on.
And how much is this turntable?
Turntable is 80 grand.
80 grand is
Tonearm is 20 grand.
okay. So 100 grand will get you this.
Right.
Very nice.
Also, this Tonearm is liquid. It's like
So it's
completely water, but
just water.
not just water, but
Okay.
kind of water,
Okay.
but running for extra stabilization.
Is that right? Okay. So you're using water to kind of
Extra stabilization.
equate things. Okay.
And inside the direct motor and the magnetic levitation bearing.
Peter, talk about your picture of the turntable.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah. No, this is very interesting. And this is a launch of this.
This is prototype. It'll launch in officially be available in October.
October? Okay.
So,
That's a very innovative arm, and yeah.
yeah,
a lot
Tonearm's
of-
been available for a few years.
Okay.
But the turntable is almost ready.
It's interesting how you're using water.
Just for some added stabilization. Yeah. It's just a thin little insert piece,
Okay.
so you can refill it or take it out.
Okay.
It's not necessary.
Could you use vodka?
No, it's got to have the right viscosity to help
Okay.
actually dampen. So just even
Well, yeah,
straight
why
water,
waste- yeah.
probably would be counterproductive.
Okay. We wouldn't want to waste vodka.
Plus it's acrylic.
Well, should you use distilled water or?
No, it's a still water blend. But
Okay.
Yeah.
It's a blend. Okay.
Vodka would probably crack it.
Okay. All right. Let me go ahead and listen for a little bit.
Thank you so much. So, I like to show you for this working of cramping up.
Okay.
Maybe say. The top. The ending of play is look at this part.
Interesting.
Cramping out. And after replace the record and cramping in,
So it levitates.
not levitate. Levitate is whole player is levitate, but this one is mechanically working, put it on the record.
Rest on the edge.
Like a clamp.
Yeah, it's kind of
Crank.
Yeah.
Paperweight.
Okay.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Right. Outside, it'll be tough. Laser beam is make it tangential line, the straight liner, but look at the diamond tip hitting.
For only 80,000.
I'll show you.
20,000 for the arm. So you got to have an arm.
Diamond tip.
And that's-
If you order now, you get your arm free.
Okay, that's right.
Diamond tip.
So how many did
Razor
you
blue
buy?
line. It's just a
You
razor
need one
line,
for each room, I think.
but this
Think,
one-
yeah.
You mean there's something active in the servo motor?
No. It is not servo system.
With those
It's
speakers and the
totally
amps,
separate.
Yeah, you're talking a
but-
$200,000
but this is
system
only,
probably.
measurement
Because you got to get a
moving-
cartridge, you got to get the cables, preamp, phono.
Moving any place. Depends on the cartridge length. Cartridge
you
length.
can manually
Right.
readjust,
Manually, yeah.
recalibrate.
What is that
If you
preamp there?
replace the cartridge, short cartridge, long cartridge, we can adjust, make it until on the razor line, the diamond hit.
And then you can lock it. Like
Right, then lock it,
All right.
then play.
So this is your own preamp too.
Yeah, this is my own preamp for only my personal use. But this one for commercial MC step-up transformer.
Okay. Very nice.
MC step-up transformer.
That's what you're using now.
Yeah, currently using it. That's it.
Cool. All right, thank you.